Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Let's Make Art haul. This was the first time that I had ordered from them. I was on their mailing list and they had a clearance. So I started out there with those little mini 3x3 black canvases in this Posca pen. All very, very cheap. The Posca pen was 99 cents and those were like 89 cents each. And then what did I get here? I missed something. But then my swatch book this is some watercolor paper. I think it was 140-pound weight, and you can use it for swatching. So it was like $3 and something. Then they had these packs that they did. This was a tag art journaling pack, and it came with, I probably bought it more for the tags than the Posca pen, because I go through the white and black especially. So it comes, there's like some instructions that are all nicely done, things you can do with your tags, and they're just regular like shipping tags. And there were a couple pieces of paper with sort of thinner paper that you could layer and collage with. And inside that was some paste or something. I still have to look into that. It looked a little balled up and weird, but I don't know. But the white Posca pen came in there in the tags, so I thought that was a good deal. Again, all this was really, really cheap. This Birds of Paradise pack, it comes with that tracing paper. You can see there, the carbon paper. I guess it's called the language of flowers, maybe. And I was trying to pull all that out. And it comes with these instruction sheets with the step-by-step photos. They're in these nice high-quality glossy sheets that you can keep and store. And a little bit about the flowers, I guess, that were in that book. And I guess they send a postcard to people. That's watercolor postcard there that came in each box that I'm going to show you. And here are all the paintings, and they come on those nice glossy cards that you could frame or keep or give or whatever. And then the tracing paper there that you can use with the carbon paper, and then watercolor sheets. So I say all that rather quickly, but that kind of comes that same pattern in each of these boxes. Now this I think was free. I don't remember ordering this, but I think it said free paper pack, but I guess it was this swan. You get some black paper, which is fine. I love using black paper. And then this swan art piece there that you can paint in metallic. So I'll grab my metallics out when I go to do that one. Again, all links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. These two, I got two of these things I'm opening now. They're like that MFT board or MF, I don't know what that is. You know what I'm talking about, that board that goes together and slots together for storage. So it was like $3 so for each of those. So I figured that would be helpful. This is another art box that I got. Here again, the art boxes that you see are about $9 a piece, and so they're obviously way on clearance. You get two Caran d'Ache Aquarelle, the water soluble Neocolor 2s. Now these are colors that I have the 30 set of Caran d'Ache, and these are both in there, but they're backups I can use when I use up my own. I use teal and orange a lot, so that's perfect. And then these are their liquid watercolors that you need to do the paintings with. There, as you can see on the little sheets, they tell you what colors you need for each project. And again, they have the postcard that you can make and send to somebody. It's nice. They already have the stamp on there. Here are the paintings, like Van Gogh there, and so some different artists that are well known. And then the tracing sheets as well. And you can reuse tracing paper from the other kit too. I know when I sew with tracing paper, I use sewing to make marks and things. You can get quite a bit out of a sheet of tracing paper. Here's another box, and this one had a little card that talks about what's inside, and then more liquid watercolors. And these were all different colors. Some beautiful violets and fuchsias and blues. That kind of came in a tiny little box there. And then your thing that came with is that paint puck, which are fun. I have one of those and I use them. You put them in the bottom like a jam jar, and then it's easier to clean your brushes. And then here are there's the watercolor postcard and the tracing paper folded up. I keep saying tracing paper, but carbon paper, you know what I mean? And then again, with watercolor paper that you get, as well as a nice little art piece there of what you are painting and the instructions. So it's a nice little box. If you know people you want to, that love art, it'd be a good time to get them a couple of those for a present while they're on clearance. And I know I keep getting the same email, so I'm pretty sure the sale's still going, at least the time of recording this. This one has that wood slice in there, and again, more liquid watercolors, and these last quite a long time. So, and this is some Daniel Smith watercolor ground, so you can kind of play around with that. And I do have another brand of that, and it kind of, you can put that on that wood slice and kind of give it sort of watercolory, papery effect that you can paint with watercolors, is what that's for pretty much. So taking a surface that normally you wouldn't be able to watercolor on, and when you use the watercolor ground, a few coats of that or a couple coats of that, you should be able to. And again, the postcard, which is great. They pick someone to mail that to, and then the beautiful sort of art pieces that can be framed if you want, or just kept for reference, and the step-by-step sheets there and telling you which colors to use. So these were all great deals. I've never ordered from them before. It did take a little bit to get it. I mean, it's not Amazon 2-day shipping, right? But that's okay. But lots of fun things to play with. Check out those links below, head on over, and thank you so much for joining me. Look forward to playing with these, and I'm sure I'll probably get a video or two in playing with these products. So hit that subscribe and the bell so you're in on that. Thanks so much.